We just heard a loud bang near the headquarters of the military headquarters here in Rostov, and we heard the screams for us to run away from this place as soon as possible. You can see a lot of people are running, but I guess we can slow down. Right now we got away. Where are you guys from?
From Morocco.
Morocco. What do you think about everything? What's happening
I
here?
don't know, it's something strange. The first time I saw this thing, I don't know, it's
We don't know what is happening,
yeah,
and we are very scared.
yeah, soldiers
I understand.
and everything, yeah.
We just heard a loud bang. That's why
Yeah.
everybody started running, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys tourists here, or you live here studying?
No, I
here?
study here, yeah.
You study?
Students, yeah.
Well, hopefully this will end very soon.
I hope so.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank
Have
you.
a good day.